Perfecting your English. Mastering adverbs of manner in perfect tenses. Hello, English language learners, and welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to tackle a very interesting topic: adverbs of manner in perfect tenses. We'll focus specifically on how to use these adverbs with perfect tenses. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's dive right in. First, let's quickly review what adverbs of manner and perfect tenses are. Adverbs of manner describe how something happens or how something is done. For example, in the sentence, "She sings beautifully," beautifully is an adverb of manner, telling us how she sings. Perfect tenses, on the other hand, are used to talk about actions that are completed in relation to the present, past, or future. For instance, "I have finished my work" is in the present perfect tense. When you want to use an adverb of manner with perfect tenses, the adverb usually comes after the verb. Let's see how this works with some examples. Present perfect: he has finished his project successfully. Past perfect: she had driven home safely. Future perfect: they will have completed the race easily. Notice how in each of these sentences, the adverb of manner, successfully, safely, easily, comes right after the verb phrase, has finished, had driven, will have completed. Here's a key tip. Remember, some adverbs of manner can come at the beginning or end of the sentence for emphasis. For instance, carefully: he had placed the vase on the table, or she will have arrived at the meeting punctually. That brings us to the end of our lesson on using adverbs of manner with perfect tenses. Remember, practice is key, so make sure to apply these rules in your day-to-day conversations and writings. If you stay consistent, you'll be mastering this in no time. Until our next lesson, happy learning!